Welcome, everyone, to the National Museum of American History. This is my 1-month anniversary of being the director, and I could not be more proud to be with all of you today. And I thank you for joining us in our 4th annual Power of Giving program. This program is part of the museum's philanthropy initiative, which is a path-breaking, long-term effort to collect and research and document and exhibit and make accessible materials that help us tell the story of American philanthropists and of American philanthropy. It helps us convene important conversations like the ones we'll have today that make the connections between the history of our philanthropy and the future of our nation. Using philanthropy as a lens, exploring that, understanding what that means to us when we give, why we give, and how we give. This initiative helps visitors. We have about between 4 and 5 million here in the museum every year and about double that online. It helps them understand how Americans have given time, expertise, and their resources, and how this continues to shape our world within our borders and our world beyond our borders. The Philanthropy Initiative was launched in 2015 and is made possible by the generous support of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and David M. Rubenstein. It continues today with the support of the Fidelity Charitable Trustees Initiative, which is the grant-making arm of Fidelity Charitable. It includes a 20-year exhibition case, Giving in America, on our 3rd floor. It includes an endowed curatorial position, a collecting initiative to build up our national philanthropy collection is also included, and it enables us to do both programming here in the museum and regionally. It also allows us a robust outreach effort through the web and through video and through social media. As many of you know, each year the Philanthropy Initiative focuses on a specific theme: sustainability and the environment, culture and the arts most recently. And this year we're examining philanthropy's impact on health and medicine. Tomorrow our Giving in America exhibition will be opening up a new case, Giving and Health, examining how Americans have long approached medical philanthropy as members of an international community. As we know, disease respects no borders, and ideally treatments, cures, and resources can cross borders and cross barriers. And these connections shape our developments here and around the world. The National Collection of the Smithsonian, which we are privileged to steward, preserve, and make accessible, contains a remarkable wealth of artifacts. And these objects and artifacts and materials help us understand the long and the beautifully intertwined and sometimes complicatedly intertwined histories of scientific thought and the rise of modern medicine. We will open an important exhibit from this collection, including objects that have been rarely or never seen from our collection next year in an exhibition called In Sickness and in Health, appropriately. In today's Power of Giving program, our exploration of philanthropy's impact on health and medicine will focus on the ways in which public-private partnerships have historically accelerated research and affected true change in the areas of global health, breast cancer, neuroscience research, and in specific Alzheimer's and psychiatric diseases. All of these diseases in some way have impacted us, our families, and certainly our nation. So today you'll have the great opportunity to hear from an array of remarkable figures in medical research and philanthropy. We have an excellent slate of speakers lined up. I'm thrilled you're all here for the afternoon.